Dongguan Toco Transmission Machinery Company Ltd. is located in the famous world factory Dongguan City in Guangdong Province, where beside Humen Railway Station, close to Shenzhen and Guangzhou Airport, with excellent environment and convenient traffic transportation. Toco Company was founded in 2008, covering an area of 10,000 square meters, with more than 100 staff and 76 sets of advanced equipment, specialized in researching, developing, producing, and selling ball screw, ball spline, linear guide, linear bearing, ball screw support unit, lock nut, monostage, machine tool spindle, etc. With years of experience in linear motion market, Toco focuses customers' attention on quality, cost, and efficiency, provides the most competitive mechanical transmission parts. All products have to pass strict inspection before shipped out. We believe that the quality is the soul of an enterprise, so we continuously try to improve product quality, introduce German advanced equipment and technology, employ experienced technical and management personnel, train the staff skills and knowledge 2 times a week. To establish the unique Toco culture and enrich their leisure life, the company regularly holds outdoor activities, and all employees dance before go to work. Meanwhile, big parties are held during the Spring Festival, Mid-Autumn Festival, New Year's Day, and other festivals to strengthen the enterprise cohesion and affinity. Currently, Toco has already exported to USA, Argentina, Brazil, United Kingdom, Italy, Vietnam, Malaysia, and some other countries. Also approved by clients and market to be a high-precision standard. All our products are popular and widely used in industrial robot, 3D printer, laser engraving, woodworking machinery, food machinery, medical equipment, glass manufacturing equipment, and electronics industry. Toco regards good quality, reasonable prices, short production time, and satisfactory after-sales service as the tenet, provides technical support and industry analysis to meet customers' demands. Sincerely hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual development and benefits. Also welcome potential buyers to contact us. Make Toco a world brand enterprise. To learn more about Toco at www.toco.tw.